Hey guys, this is Max with A1 Website Pro, and there is the deal with FeedBurner here. So if you have SSL on your server, like Legal Steroids RX has here, where you have the HTTPS, and you go try to burn your feed, you can see that your feed is active on your WordPress site right here. But the problem is that FeedBurner does not support secure SSLs for burning feed. So I'm going to show you how to get around this. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass, but this is probably the fastest and most effective way to do it. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into your cPanel, okay? And you scroll down to where it says subdomains, okay? And we're going to create a subdomain on Legal Steroids RX. We're going to call it just something like a my feed, or name it whatever you want, and hit create. And this will create a subdomain on your URL. Okay, so there you go, myfeed.legalsteroidsrx. The next thing that you have to do is you have to bring up like a Notepad++ or whatever. We're going to be using this little PHP code. Now you can probably log in fact, let me show you how to do it this way. It's going to be easier for you. You won't have to have that Notepad++. But go back to your file manager. Okay, so let's go here to our file manager. And just click go. Go to the root. And we want to find that new folder that was made. It should be a folder called My Feed. And there it is. Okay, so we're going to open this up. And we want to make a file in here. We want to call this file index.php. So click new file, type in index.php, just like that, okay? Create new file. Now what we want to do is we want to edit this file, okay? So hit code editor up here while you're in your cPanel, then click edit. All right, then what you need is you'll need this code right here, like I showed you. Now, if you need to find it, I have it on a1websitepro.com. If you go to WordPress and then functions for WordPress, it's right down here. I'll give a direct link in the video. But highlight and copy this code. All right. Now, of course, you're going to replace this with your URL. Okay. So we're going to go back to where we're editing that file, and that would be this tab right here. We're going to paste that in right there. And now we just want to replace this with Legal Steroids RX -RX. Legal Steroids RX. Okay. And then what we want to do is click Save Changes, just like that. Okay. So that's going to put our feed in that subdomain. So now when we go to Legal Steroids RX, let's go back to the subdomain that we created, which would be myfeed.legalsteroidsrx, just like that. Okay, and let's take out this back end here and make sure it's there. We'll hit enter. It should bring up the feed, and there's our feed now. Okay, it looks a little bit different, but we're just going to take this URL now. So this is our subdomain. We're going to go back to our feed burner, and now let me see here. There we go. And we're going to hit edit feed details, and we're going to replace this little item right here, original feed, and click save feed details. And so now we took it from HTTPS to HTTP, and now we have successfully updated the feed. And that's how you do it. Okay, it's a shame that they don't allow SSLs, but now those 16 subscribers will be able to get the feed that's coming from Legal Steroids RX. All right, I hope this was able to help somebody out with the feed burner. If you need any help or anything, give me a call or contact me, a1websitepro.com. Thanks. Bye.